in the 60s, life was rolling slow. Chrome was shining in the morning glow. Drop the top and let the whole world roll, with my Oldsmobile humming like an old friend's soul. Springtime breeze on Chicago's Lakeshore Drive, Blue Lake, Michigan sparkling right beside. Every mile whispered, take your time. Those were the days when the world felt fine. Top down, heart wide open, every road felt like forever. Radio singing, sunshine glowing, every mile just kept getting better. Four wheels, blue skies, nothing money couldn't buy. Just me, my Oldsmobile, and freedom riding by. California called with an ocean breeze, golden sunshine dancing through the trees. The Pacific stretched beyond my sight, every curve was pure delight. Summer days on that winding shore made me want to drive a little more. Salt air laughing, seagulls flew, every sunset felt brand new. Top down, heart wide open, every road felt like forever. Radio singing, sunshine glowing, every mile just kept getting better. Four wheels, blue skies, nothing money couldn't buy. Just me, my Oldsmobile, and freedom riding by. Then autumn found me in West Virginia, rolling hills dressed up in gold, maples burned in red and amber, more beautiful than words could hold. No hurry now, no race to win, just smiling where I'd already been. Some memories never fade away, they ride beside me every day. Top down, heart wide open, spring to summer into fall. Every season, every highway, still my favorite ride of all. Wind still whispers, old songs play, though the years have slipped away. That old convertible still lives inside my heart today. Give a little wave, I might just be driving yesterday.